8. So बच्चों, once again we are going to do the next question of this exercise. अब हम करेंगे now question number 9. Just look what the question number 9 says. Here telling find the smallest square that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. वह smallest square फाइंड आउट करें जो 4, 9 और 10 से डिविजिबल है. ओके, जो 4 से भी, 9 से भी और 10 से भी डिवाइड हो जाए. We have to find that smallest square. So just look here. जब भी smallest की बात हो सबसे पहले हमारे माइंड में आनी चाहिए LCM, least common multiple. तो जब smallest नंबर की बात आ रही है तो हम LCM करते हैं. Look here. So LCM of 4, 9 and 10. We will take here. So just look here. Here you take LCM of 4, 9, 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, and so. So 9 1s are 9, then 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Just look here. 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36, and 36 5s are 180. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 5 is 15, 15 1 130. Okay. So we get here LCM is 180. 180. Now प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. अब हम क्या करेंगे, LCM करने के बाद अब हम इस LCM का क्या निकालेंगे, PF मीन्स प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. नाउ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 180 is equal to, we will take here, अब हम करेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 180. जस्ट लुक हियर. 2 9s are 18, 45, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. We get here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So here, अब आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखना. It has pairing of 2, it has pair of 3, but 5 is unpaired. लेकिन यहाँ पे 5 हमारा unpaired है. So this number means 180 will be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square. अब हम इसे perfect square बनाने के लिए हम इसे 5 से multiply करेंगे. Getting now? So just look here. Since a number 5 is unpaired here, 5 is unpaired. So it must be multiplied by 5 to make a perfect square. To make a perfect square. Perfect square बनाने के लिए हम इसे 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, therefore 180 को हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, 180 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here is 5. अब 9 5 की भी हमारी पेयर बन गई. ओके, 180 into 5. Now there is pair of everyone. 2 की भी पेयर है 3 and 5. So it is a perfect square. अब हमारा ये perfect square है. Just look here, multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, 0 carry 4, 5 1s are 5, 900. Okay, so 900 के ये है prime factorization 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, therefore 900 is the smallest square that is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Okay, therefore 900 is the smallest square that is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. Got it? Means ये 900 which is perfect square. 900 जो perfect square है. Okay? अगर हम इसे 4, 9 और 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then डिवाइड करेंगे तो इजिली इट विल बी डिवाइडेड. ओके, हम इसे 4, 9, 10 से डिवाइड कर लेंगे. तो सो इट इज 900 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 4, 9 and 10. क्लियर है? नाउ लेट्स सी. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 6.3। अब हम देखते हैं, क्लियर है, देयर इज नो एनी प्रॉब्लम। नो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। Here telling question number 10, find the smallest square, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 8, 15 and 20. Got it? Here the last question here says, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 8, 15 and 20. वह कौन से स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर होगा जो 8, 15 एंड 20 से डिविजिबल है? सेम क्वेश्चन जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। तो हम सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, सो वी विल डू वंस अगेन एलसीएम। ओके, लुक हियर, सॉल्यूशन, एलसीएम ऑफ 8, 15 and 20 is equal to, here take LCM, 2 4s are 8, 15, 10, 2 2s are 4, 15, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 15, 5, 5 see, it will go with 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, once again 3, 2 2s are 4, just look here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 43s are 120. So we get here 120. Clear? Any problem? Did you understood? 120. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे? Next step is, now we will take prime factorization of 120. अब हम इसको 120 के PF निकालेंगे, means prime factorization. Now prime factorization of 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, हाँ, this is the prime factorization of, okay, 120. Now just look here, अब हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे पेयरिंग किसकी है. Okay, just look here, 2 is here, 1 pair, this 2 is unpaired and 5 is also unpaired as well as 3 is unpaired. ये तीनों नंबर जो है हमारे unpaired है. It means अगर हम once again 2 से और 1 more 5 and once again 3 से multiply करेंगे, then it will become a perfect square. Okay, so write down here, since 2, 3 and 5 is unpaired here, unpaired 2, 3 and 5, since 2, 3 and 5 is unpaired here, so it must be multiplied by 2, 3 and 5, that is equal to, that is 2 3 6 6 5 30, means 30 से हम multiply करेंगे, then it will become a perfect square. So it must be multiplied by 2, 3 and 5 means 30 to make a perfect square. To make a perfect square. Perfect square बनाने के लिए हमसे 30 से multiply करेंगे. Just look here. So therefore 120 into 30. अगर 120 को हम 30 से multiply करेंगे means 1 more 2, 1 more 3 and 1 more 5. So it will become 2 into 2 into 2 के भी पेयर आ जाएगी यहाँ से. Once again 3 के भी पेयर, just we will make pair of 3 also as well as 5. Okay, so means one, now it is paired. 2 is paired now, 3 is paired now, and 5 is also paired. Means before पहले हमारे पास 1 था, but we have taken one more 2, it was 3, one more 3 we have taken, it was single 5, one more 5 we have multiplied. Okay, therefore when you multiply 12 3s are 36, 3600, 3600, you know 3600 के ये क्या है, 2 into 2 into, just try it out here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. It means, okay, the smallest square number 3600 is the smallest square number, okay, which is divisible by 85920. Okay, clear? Therefore 3600 is the, so 3600 is the smallest square number that is divisible by 8, 15 and 20, जो 8, 15 and 20 से divisible है. Got it? Any problem? I hope you are getting very clearly. There is no any problem because this question is just similar to question number 9. Okay.